With CSS language, very frequently we're gonna use another HTML element, and this element is with name div. Div element is coming from the division. Div tag defines a division or a section in HTML document. It has no effect on the content or layout until styled in some way using CSS. Let me show you first. But how to access this div element? Do we need to add in our CSS file div, or just we need to approach by some other way this div element? So by default in HTML standard we're gonna need to use classes, and this class attribute will give us freedom to select custom naming convention for targeting some div elements in web page. So we're gonna call this my div, for example, and here we can select it with dot and name of the class my div, and now we can add some core. By this way we can apply these styles by many different ways and combinations, and it is very convenient. In the future videos we're gonna understand how to use better these div elements with custom classes. Now I can multiply this div, or for example I will increase paragraphs. And when I add div element with class my div, and when I save changes, the border effect will be applied for first and the last paragraph.